Manu the Maina was very sad. Somebody had cut down the tree where he lived. His home was gone.
Oh, I can't find my house here. Hira, can you see our house? No, Manu, I can't.
He sat on the stump of the tree in the bright sun feeling hot. He did not know what to do.
Where do we go? Where do we sleep?
Kali the koil saw him as she was flying by and came down to say hello.
Hi, friends. Why are you so sad? I was flying by and so you're all crying. What happened? Somebody cut down our tree. I don't know what to do. Wait for me. I might have something for you.
Manu the Maina hopped around singing a song to cheer himself up while he waited for Kali to return.
Sometimes I'm happy. Sometimes I'm sad. Sometimes I'm frustrated. Feeling bad. Sometimes I'm excited.
Dear parents, kindly appreciate the students of grade 12.
Sometimes I'm bored. Don't know what to do.
Ela, the earthworm, Tiny, the caterpillar, Beanie, the butterfly, and Busy, the bee, also came to chat with Manu. They had lived on the same tree, and when someone cut it down, they had also lost their homes. Kali soon returned with something big and white in her mouth.
What is it? It is a seed. It's a magical seed. If you plant it, it will grow into a big tree. A whole big tree? Yes, it will. Will it be tall? How thick will it be? Will it be small and nice? Will it be round like a circle? Will it be triangle like a Christmas tree? Wait and watch. Wait and watch. But it will take some time. So let us plant it.
Ela dug a hole in the ground. She was pretty good at that. Kali planted the seed in the hole. Then Manu covered the hole with soil again.
See what did we get for the seed?
And waited some more. And waited some to peek out of the seed and pushed its way down. What nobody knew was that Kali had given them a magic seed. Hole in the ground and settled in a new home in the roots of the grand new tree.
I will build this flower.
I will build myself a new house on this branch.
Tiny, the cat, made a home in one of the biggest leaves in the tree. He also ate some leaves for lunch and said, "Yummy." He said something else too, but no one understood because Tiny was speaking with his mouth full. Everybody was happy. They thanked Kali for their beautiful new homes.
Thank you, Kali. Such a beautiful house.
Kali smiled. She was very happy that she had helped her friends. But then Manu covered the hole with soil again.
See what did we get from the seed?
Beanie and Busy brought water in their spouts from a pond nearby and watered the seed. Tiny the caterpillar stamped on the soil with his feet to make sure the seed was snug in its bed. Then they waited and waited some more and waited some more. Then they grew a little tired of waiting. Night was beginning to fall, so Kali took them all to her house for the night. In the night, under the ground, a little magic happened. One little shoot peeped out from the seed and pushed its way up and up through the ground. Peeped out of the seed and pushed its way down into the ground. The shoot grew thick and taller. It became a big, strong trunk and spread out its branches into the sky, a bit like how you stretch your arms when you wake up every morning. Then, lots of lovely, fresh green leaves appeared on the branches. Between the leaves appeared tiny buds. The buds became flowers, and flowers ripened into fruits. Below the ground, the roots also spread out into branches and became thick and strong. When morning came, everybody was surprised to see a huge, big, beautiful umbrella-shaped tree in the garden.
Please put your hands together
What
for
nobody knew
prayer.
was that Kali had given them a magic seed which could become a tree very quickly.
Wow! Big tree! Beautiful! Flowers! Fruit!
Manu was very happy and quickly selected a branch on which to build his new nest. Eva dug herself a new hole in the ground and settled in a new home in the roots of the grand new tree.
I will live in this flower.
I will build myself a new house on this branch.
Tiny, the caterpillar, made a home in one of the biggest leaves in the tree. He also ate some leaves for lunch and said, Yummy!
Yummy!
And he said something else too, but no one understood because Tiny was speaking with his mouth full. Everybody was happy. They thanked Kali for their beautiful new homes.
Thank you, Kali. Such a beautiful house.
Kali smiled. She was very happy that she had helped her friends. But where and how had she got that magic mango seed? Aha! Now that's another story.
Please,